Welcome to Suburban Heights. Ayan, ang aming dance fitness every Saturday. Birthday celebrant today, si Ate Jenny. Ayan, we're going to celebrate her birthday today. Woo! Yan! O, diba? Name that tune! Birthday today! Ayan guys, every Saturday here in Suburban Heights, napakasayang lugar dito. Every Saturday, actually meron din silang Monday and Wednesday. Ayan, Saturday our barangay San Juan Dance Fitness. Ayan, founder by Kapitana Normita Felix, ang ating Gawad Award for 2024. Ayan guys, isa to sa mga achievement ng ating kapitana, magbigay ng lakas lalo na sa ating mga senior citizen. Ayan. Good morning, tita. Ang aming vlogger here, tita. Yes. Happy birthday!